Okay, AEP 800 students, this is my final video. This will talk about Mod 20 and what the expectations are for this final assignment. Yay, you made it through. You are going to provide me a reflective summary. The process is outlined in the syllabus under the transference reflection. Please make sure that you put it into a Google Doc and that the Google Doc share settings are to public so that I don't have to ask you to take it off of private. That's something that happens quite a bit. Make sure that you talk about the ISTE and TPAC standards. Please make sure that you put that in, and also make sure it's shared for canned comment so that your peers can comment. Make sure that you're brutally honest. I want to make sure that I can be reflective in my practice so that if something needs changed, we can get it changed. I want this to be a great experience for you. Like I said, I truly love teaching this course, and I hope that you have gotten a lot out of it and that you have a great sense of satisfaction for completing it. Yay! And also, please make sure that if in the future there's anything I can do for you, maybe you have a question and it's 6 months down the road, just shoot me an email and I will try to get back with you. I like to keep in touch with my students. Also, at the end of the semester, they're going to ask you to do an evaluation of me. Please be brutally honest. Like I said, that is for my reflection so that I can get better in my practice. I want this to be a great experience for you. Hopefully you have gotten some ideas that you can take back to your classroom to use with your students or in your workplace, either one. And that helps the university to make changes to programs. So I hope that you have enjoyed being with us and being with your community of learners. Even though it's online, I know that we don't get the one-on-one, but hopefully I have provided support so that this journey has been a positive one for you. And again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for taking this course, and please keep in touch.